Hello, my name is Joseph Armstrong from Triple T's Productions. In today's video, we will go over how to format your Word document by adding headers, pictures, and a table of contents. For anyone wanting to make an impact in the business world, it is imperative to know how to format documents, and how to add visual and functional features to your Word document. For this video, we will be using the story of Genesis as an example text file. If you want to follow along, the example text file is linked in the description. With the file opened, put a page break between the description and Genesis. You can insert a page break by placing your cursor in the area you want to insert the break. Once you have done this, go to the Insert tab. Then, click the page break option. Notice how the text has shifted from the first page to the second page. When you insert a page break, all of the text preceding the page break is moved to the next page. Now let's insert a page break at the end of chapter 1. Once again, place your cursor in the area you want to place the page break, and insert a page break. Finally, insert a page break at the end of chapter 3. Notice how you do not need the line to be blank to insert a page break. Now let's format the document to make it easier to access. Highlight Genesis. On the Home tab, go to Styles, and select Heading 1. In Microsoft Word, Heading 1 means that the selected text is a major bookmark of the document. Now highlight Chapter 1, and format the text to the Heading 2 style. In Microsoft Word, Heading 2 can be used to mark text that is important, but one level lower than Heading 1. Go and format Chapter 2 and Chapter 3 in the Heading 2 style. Once you have done this, it's time to insert some images into this document. You can insert royalty-free images from the internet into your document by inserting images through the Online Pictures function. Once the window loads, you can search an image, select the image, and insert the image into your document. When you click OK, the image will be inserted, with an accompanying citation. Now repeat the steps to insert an image at the end of Chapter 2. Hello. It seems like your image is too big. Let's shrink it by clicking and dragging one of the circles around the image border. You can always reshape the image after the fact to suit your needs. Now, let's shake things up by inserting an already saved image, by clicking on the Pictures option next to the Online Pictures option, and then selecting the image you want. Let's wrap this video up by inserting a table of contents. To do this, make sure you have a blank page. Then in the References tab, select the Table of Contents option, and click the Automatic Table 1 option. The headings 1 and 2 formatting that we applied earlier to this video now help Word to automatically create a table of contents for this document. Notice the page numbers in the table of contents. Also notice the lack of page numbers in the document. Let's change that. Double-click the blank space above the text. A new tab should appear called Header and Footer. Select the page number option and click any option from the top of page menu. Congratulations! You have now automatically generated page numbers for your Word document, and you have now successfully formatted your Word document. This concludes our video on how to format your document in Microsoft Word. As always, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Microsoft Office.